How to make a mascot make children smile, not steam in the animator. The secret is in the details. Cute cow from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory. The animator's eyes are right in the area of the character's eyes, and the ventilation holes are also there. The review is excellent. It breathes easily. Inside, there is a soft frame and a soft body. The suit is light, does not constrain movements. Included, head, gloves, soft shoes with rubberized soles and dress. Reinforced seams and well-designed zippers are designed for frequent use. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control, suitable for animators up to 185 centimeters tall, optimal for size 48 with a height of 175. Production time from 14 days. An ideal solution for children's parties, milk festivals, farmers' fairs, and city events. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions. We ship all over Russia and to 160 countries around the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an accurate miscalculation of an individual order? Contacts for video, write, call. Carnival Factory, made in Nizhny Novgorod. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.